National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for Clinton County in south central Illinois, northern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, southern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, southern Marion County in south central Illinois, Washington County in south central Illinois, St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 6:30 a.m. At 10:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen between 9:25 p.m. and 10:25 p.m. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding includes Belleville, Granite City, O'Fallon, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Edwardsville, Fairview Heights, Cahokia, Swansea, Centralia, Glen Carbon, Shiloh, Highland, Troy, Waterloo, Columbia, Maryville, Salem, and Muscuda. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between exits 109 and 116, Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 9 and 61. This also includes Horseshoe Lake State Park. Turnaround: don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.